guys, good morning. So it is Vlogmas day 3. I can't believe it's already December 3rd. It is currently 11 o'clock right on the dot. We are going to be going to Hobby Lobby, right?
Yeah.
We're going to be going to Hobby Lobby. She's on the phone. Also, I have an appointment today. I'm finally getting the tattoo that I was supposed to be getting like in late October, early November. I had to push it back and push it back, and I'm so lucky that the tattoo artist is still willing to do it. It's my friend Heather. I'm going downtown, and that's not until 1, so we have 2 hours to go and get the flower arrangements for the grapes for Christmas. So let's just go. Let's get ready. I have already done my hair. I already curled my hair. And I feel so accomplished because I actually went to the library because it has way better Wi-Fi than here. So yeah, I just uploaded 2 videos. I need to make them public. I have some dairy-free eggnog here. La la la. And I love this granola. It is so good. If only they made it in dark chocolate, I would love that even more. But yeah. And I cannot believe it's already the 3rd. This tattoo is actually going to be a Halloween themed tattoo, so this is going to be really weird getting it in the middle of Vlogmas. That's actually what I'm going to be titling this video. I've decided Halloween tattoo during Vlogmas. But it is going to be on my leg, right by my knee, on my right leg, and it is, I'm just going to let you guys see what it is. I'm not even going to tell you. Well, I think you have a lot of stuff.
You think just a bird? Oh, and then we have these clip-on ones. That's what we used with the red roses, remember? Mm-hmm. And then we just took them off.
I still like this.
Oh, well, we'll see. Maybe some red. We could find something
some red
to replace those, huh?
Yeah.
That'll be okay.
Yeah, some red.
Okay, so let's... Here.
Okay.
Do you see my key?
No, good thing I have my key.
In the garage.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
No.
Alright.
Well, let's just leave my coffee here.
What are you doing?
I'm out the garage. Oh, happy
Where? Oh my gosh. What is up with you? Okay, so I literally put on my makeup. So I'm headed out the door into the bright light to the car. Yeah, put on your seatbelt.
Okay, let's go.
I had to yell at Xavier about it during Black Friday.
About what? The song?
No, the seatbelt.
You're kidding.
No!
Oh my goodness.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I guess it could be.
I've been in one that tried to blow me away.
That's
And
bad.
I almost were.
Which ones do you like?
We do white.
I know, but you said you wanted red.
Yeah, well, I'm looking at both actually in case I don't find one and I find another.
Well, there's some red down here. Well, oh, that's cute. Look at the little cap glasses. It's so cute.
These are, no, these
That's,
are one stamp.
no.
Oh, these are pretty, but they're one stamp.
What? Oh. How come? Let's go to the other side and see if there's any red over there. Oh, there's these. There's these, but they're one stamp.
Pretty, actually?
Yeah, I like these. I like how they're all velvety.
Right.
I like this with the gold on it. I think that looks pretty.
I don't like that.
I know.
Let me put these back. Hold on. Try to look for some. Don't follow me.
Look, I'm not following you around. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm looking. I just see a bunch of Eastery flowers. Oh my gosh, there's sunflowers. What? Ugh. Because it's what? That's so cute.
Should I take 4 or just 2?
It's half off. I think you should take 4. I think
same
these are
one?
really cute. Yes.
Okay, look for
Well, yeah, they all have to be matching. Well, I like these right there.
No, that'll fall apart.
I know, but I just think it's
So
pretty.
2 each of these, or
Those are
should we
cute.
look for a different one too? How about those?
Now I need a register 2, please.
Those are like pairs.
Yeah.
All right, if
2 of
that's
these
what you
and
want.
2 of these?
Yeah, sure. Well, they go together at least with the colors. So yeah, but they're different enough.
Right. Okay, now we already have signs and stuff. Now let's, what do you think of that one?
I think it
take it
looks
or no?
cute. It will match. It'll match our other pillows, but it's $30, so it'd be $15.
Right. Let's take this. Come on.
I like that gingerbread man. I think that's so cute. Why?
You think I should take the Santa or the snowman? The snowman, huh?
Snowman. Yeah, definitely snowman.
All right, let's go. Oh, thank you.
Look at cute. That's adorable. So we are back at home. I literally have to leave in like 5 or 10 minutes. But I got a high C because I really like high C. And we both got the Beyond Famous Star burgers. And I really like them. I think they taste good. Oh yeah. And Chris cut fries. Well, look how cute the little gingerbread house is. It was half off. I think it's adorable. So apparently it's supposed to light up right here. So I guess the next time I will see you guys is when I'm at my appointment. Alright, so we are at a light right now. We're going. But I just got my tattoo from Heather. It went really well. I was only in there for an hour. Essentially, this was a part of her Halloween flash sale. This is a part of her Halloween flash sale. I was lucky enough that she decided, you know, to continue, not continue doing it basically, but because I did reach out to her around this time, you know, around that time that she was doing it, and she and I just couldn't meet up. We could never like get together on a time. There was no, you know, it was just really hard. So we finally did it. It is December. But yeah, I just got a Halloween tattoo. It is of a chainsaw, and the meaning behind the chainsaw is actually my dad and I, we are like huge fans of the Evil Dead franchise. It's literally my favorite horror movie franchise ever. I absolutely love it. I was introduced to the franchise when I was 6 years old, I want to say, and I didn't watch the first one. I actually watched the last one in the trilogy, so the third film. So it was Army of Darkness, and you know, it was with Bruce Campbell and directed by Sam Raimi, produced by Robert Tapert, and I just honestly fell in love with this franchise. It's my favorite horror movie franchise of all time. But anyway, they did all of these like practical effects themselves. There was no CGI. It was in the 80s. The first movie was released in 1981. They did everything themselves, literally. Sam Raimi, the director, he had just gotten out of college. I think they were like 20, 21, and they were directing this movie, and they raised all the money themselves. And then the third Evil Dead, Army of Darkness, it's just a full-on dark comedy. It's not a horror comedy, it's a straight up dark comedy, and I love it. And yeah, I was 6 years old, and that and Jeepers Creepers were the first horror movies I was ever introduced to, and that's why it just has a special place in my heart, especially because I do love horror movies as much as I do today, you know. So I just want to say thank you to Heather for tattooing me today. You know, I really appreciate it. Finally, you know, you and I got it done, and yeah, I will leave her Instagram username linked in the description down below. But I'm home right now. Let's just head inside. Okay, so I'm off to get some pizza from Papa Murphy. I just want to hop on here and show you guys the tattoo. I didn't want to hop in there and just full-on vlog, because if it were my regular tattoo artist at the tattoo shop that I normally go to, I would totally probably do it. But I've never been to this tattoo shop before. I've never been to this artist before, you know, and yeah, I just felt like it would be a little bit strange just to full on bring out a camera. But here it is right here.
So that's what I take. I take a lower dose, a way lower dose. But
Okay guys, so I am forced to be out here vlogging on my phone because I forgot my camera back at home. But we have gotten the pizza. That's even in frame. I'll check later. So we've gotten cheesy bread and like the artisan like chicken bacon artichoke, half with no artichoke pizza, and we're just gonna be doing it with the take and bake style. Ugh. I'm so tired. And I still have tickets tonight to go and see Knives Out, so I will let you know how that goes. And yeah, we are sitting at the very top. So yeah, it should be a good movie. I think it'll be really good. From the trailers, it looks really good. I'm really excited to see Chris Evans in it because I kind of like him, not gonna lie.
How old was Leonardo DiCaprio on this movie?
Hey guys, so I just changed into a pajama top and I just got back from watching Knives Out. It was really good. It wasn't what I expected. It was something just, oh my gosh. Just go and see it to experience it for yourself, because honestly, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting half of what happened. Yeah, I called a little bit here and there, but it wasn't like I called the ending. It wasn't anything like that, so it was really good. I just want to show you guys the wrappings right now, how it looks. I am going to be editing Vlogmas Day 2, so yesterday, and I'm going to be making Vlogmas Day 1 public as of right now. Okay guys, so I am putting the final touches on my Vlogmas Day 2. It is going to be condensing and then I am going to be uploading. It is currently like midnight, 12:01. So I just need to add music basically. And it will be done, so I will actually be seeing you in the morning, and that will be Vlogmas Day 4. So I will see you guys today, tomorrow, both. Good night.